to all. Welcome back to Social Science class. Hope you all are doing well. Do you remember the topics that we learned in the previous class? Yes, we discussed about income, employment and sources of income. Hope you all understood about these topics well. Today we are going to discuss about diverse expenses, economic security and habit of thrift. Shall we start? Okay. The common requirements and personal demands of each member of the family are met with their sources of income. Do all the requirements of a family have equal preference? No, some are very urgent and essential. Some others are good if met with. The family requirements should be prioritized based on family income. So, expenses are mainly two types: expected and unexpected expenses. Expenditure on food, clothes, loan repayment are the examples of expected expenses. Unexpected expenses are accidents, natural calamities, and diseases. To overcome unexpected expenses, economic security is essential. What do you mean by the term economic security? Economic security means maintaining higher standard of living and the ability to meet expenses likely to incur in future. We can attain economic security through better management of family income. When expenses are less than income, there will be surplus. Surplus is the savings of a family. Savings plays a vital role in economic security. These are the statements related to income and expenses of families. Can you say which statement ensures economic security? Yes, second one is the correct answer. Income more than expenses. When expenses are less than income, there will be surplus. Surplus is the savings of a family. According to Gandhiji, the world has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everyone's greed. Understand? What do you mean by the term thrift? Thrift is the habit of spending our income effectively to meet our desired requirements. It should be a part of our lifestyle. Thrift helps to ensure economic security. Simple lifestyle is essential for thrift. Children, there is a question for you. As a student, what can you do to ensure thrift? Correct. Avoid luxury goods. Produce food grains, vegetables and fruits that can be cultivated at home. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Is it clear? Today we have discussed about expenses, economic security and habit of thrift. Expected and unexpected are the two types of expenses. Controlling expenses helps economic security. Simple lifestyle is essential for thrift. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.